So a dialer is the most important thing in any phone, and in nothing phones we were not getting any extra dialer, as we will be using the Google dialer or the Truecaller, which a lot of people uses. But actually you can install a dialer which resembles the nothing style, the dot matrix logo, and also the font and text. So this can really change the way we use our dialer in the nothing phones, and definitely you will also get full screen caller ID, live conferencing, and other features which are really interesting if you are using this phone. So obviously we will see which dialer is this and how you can get the dialers. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you're at any stage, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. First of all, let's see what is the dialer all about. So once you open the dialer, you will be able to see how the dialer is designed, as the dialer has this really minimal design. You can scroll through all the call logs. Also, you can click on this plus sign to add contacts, upload a photo, and share the contact also. And the dialer looks absolutely beautiful with this red and black accent in there. And also you can see there is a small icon in there where you can search contacts, and the keyboard is designed in the nothing style to get the contacts which you were searching. And this is really amazing, which you can implement in the nothing phone 1. And definitely to trial, you need to click on this icon. And obviously there are other features, like you can search the contact with this predefined letters which are there, and once you click on any of the letters, you will directly go to the contact. And to get this, you need to install an app in Play Store. You need to search with NDial minimal dialer. Once you search this app, you need to install this NDial minimal dialer on the phone. And once you have installed it, you need to set as the default dialer. There are other features like live conferencing. You can see the call screen looks beautiful. Also, you will be getting full screen caller IDs and beautiful call logs, which looks really beautiful on the phone. And quick notes are also supported, so you can take quick notes while the call will be live. There is an added minimal dialer which I have already shown, looks beautiful on this phone. So definitely if you are using the nothing phone 1, I will recommend you to install this dialer to get the best out of it. And obviously more features are coming. There is a gesture support also, so to get to the settings, you have to just swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and you will be getting all the settings of the end dialer. You can see you can select the same calls, and also there is a feature minimizable caller ID, and this is developed by Hardwon Studios. So they have done a great job designing this dialer for the nothing phone. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show this nothing dialer which you can install on any phone to get that nothing look. And obviously in the nothing phone it will be an added advantage to get a beautiful dialer on the phone in the nothing style. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.